doing a pasta salad that is an extra for the kids. We put it in cups so they can have all their wonderful meal, and then they can also have a little side of pasta salad.
Perfect.
Yes.
Tell me, Laurie, why do we need renovations to the kitchen? Why do we need more space?
Because Sam and I will say, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, and bump into each other 5 times before 9 o'clock. We're handling a lot of hot pans and stuff, and unfortunately, sometimes you don't see the person, and it's very dangerous that we're going to bump into them. Like when this kettle of water is done here, it has to go over here. Meanwhile, we're going to have Sam working here and Rebecca working over there. So it's just dangerous moving around in this kitchen with anything hot, and obviously that's our goal, is to have hot food for the kids. So that's a big part of it.
What about the storage? Is that an issue?
Oh gosh, yes. We have things piled on top of each other. Half the time you don't even know what you really have.
Because you can't even see it, you
Because
mean?
you can't see it, it gets buried. So that's always an issue. But it's, yeah, it's kitchen has served its purpose. And this is my 3rd year here, and I agree 100% that we need to have more space.
Perfect.
We can do more for the kids. I mean, right now what we're doing for them is phenomenal with all the fresh food, but it isn't done slowly. It is a hustle, excuse me, I gotta get through here type of day.
Understood. Thank you for your time, Laurie.
Thank you.